I'm not beating the iPad baby allegations. Unfortunately. This is my bingo board. Ah! Hi, Gorge. What's up? How are you? It's cold. It's yeah, I can't lie. It's really chilly, but I'm trying to think warm thoughts, as the girls say. I'm in the mood to show up for myself and to establish a set of goals for February. So I thought it'd be fun to make a little creative bingo board. I saw this TikTok. I'm gonna just put it here because I don't remember who the creator is. But I saw this TikTok about making a creative bingo board, and I love a bit of graphic design. It's my passion, some might say. I journaled a list of 25 goals for the month of February, and I think that I can definitely achieve them all. They're pretty small and spread out about different creative interests of mine. Having a visual reminder and board to look at will really inspire me to want to document my process of getting these goals done and give myself a little treat and a reward if I complete it all. I'll see you back at the cribbo. I'm gonna get some french fries. Oh no, it's raining. I'll see you later. We're back home with my heated blanket where I belong. In order for this bingo board to work, we need to have some cute little icons to correspond with my list of goals. I seem to have misplaced my Apple Pencil, so the finger it is. Let's start screen recording so you can see what I'm doing in real time. We're in Procreate and we're working with a vibrant color scheme to create little icons and visualizations of the habits that I want to incorporate and build into my lifestyle. It's important for me to excite the inner child and get her motivated to hit bingo over the next 5 weeks or so. I'm not beating the iPad baby allegations. Unfortunately. Okay, I've made my icons. Oh, I didn't save them without a transparent background. And now Procreate is updating. I'm really loving this look. The headband is doing it for me. Brings me back to my youth. I'll see you in Illustrator to assemble the whole damn thing tomorrow. My eyeballs are tired. I'm in Illustrator and creating a 5x5 grid using some of my favorite color schemes. Thank you. And picking a fun, youthful, exciting font. I really liked this one that I chose because each letter is in a different style and I feel like it really fits with the theme of the board and just creative experimentation and play, which is what we're here for. I tried to organize by medium, so the left half of the board is more focused on hobbies related to music. The right side is full of more tactile, physical mediums that I engage with, either through visual art or the practice of writing. It's a few days later and we've got the goods. Glass frame. Shout out Princeton for this one. I've been holding on to this since my senior thesis show, waiting for some piece of art. And today's the day. Can we focus? The colors are phenom. That's right, I'm a graphic designer. Thank you. This is what we're working with. That is so gorgeous, and I can use a dry erase marker to mark off each little thing. Okay, I'm gonna trace the edges of this so I can cut it and focus off camera, and I'll be RB. We're back. My lines aren't exactly straight, neither am I. Nobody's fooling anybody. Whatever. Guys, I did it. I did it, I did it, I did it. Did it. Creative bingo board. Here we go. Hey, here's my final board. So gorgeous, so cute. Let's talk through each of my habits that we've got. Practice bass for like 15 to 30 minutes a day. No biggie. Make 5 new beats. Practice singing 3 times a week. Record my new single. Direct a music video. Work on the 2nd edition of my zine. Redesign my portfolio website. Complete a graphic design course, write 4 new complete songs, entire complete song ideas, finish, start and finish. She is the Producer 3, which is an online 4-week asynchronous course for women producers in the music industry. It's free, so if you were looking to get into music production, you should try it. Gouache painting, shooting an entire roll of film and then getting it developed, starting a series on TikTok, decorating a new journal, designing prints to sell, engaging with clay, having a little clay date, upcycling a piece of clothing, DIY a pair of sunglasses, stretch, do some yoga twice a week of some kind, bake a Valentine's Day treat, make it a habit to journal daily, try to walk for about 15 minutes every day, read a book every day, 25 to 30 minutes, or on my commute, whatever, make a sculpture, and visit a new art gallery every week. I think I'll give myself 5 weeks to get these. Does that sound fair? 5 weeks is a little bit more than a month, so do I know what year it is? I think today is Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. Tuesday, February 6th. Let's say March 13th. Alrighty, one day before Pi Day, we'll see if I've hit bingo. And if I hit bingo, there will be a reward. I have yet to decide what the reward will actually be, but I'm such a squealer lately. Like, I just don't have words. They're really escaping me. I'm one with the visual aid. I learn best by seeing and doing in real time, and I love to cross things off my list. It makes me feel so satisfied, so accomplished, and very, very ambitious in my pursuit of my dreams. I hope that you'll join me as I seek to get creative bingo for myself and establish new creative habits and routines so that we can transform the lifestyle and cultivate new beginnings in career, in art, in design, in music, in video production. I'm so geeked. I think this next one's gonna be good. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here. I did just want to take a little moment to say that I lost a very, very dear loved friend of mine, Rhea Banks, over the weekend, and it's made me think very consciously about mortality and about kindness and energy and effort and attention. And I think it's really important to communicate and connect to what you feel, what you truly feel on the inside, and to let people know how you feel about them while you have the chance to let them know. Tell your friends that you love them. Tell your people that you need them, that you care for them, that you see them. And just always lead with kindness. That's what my friend Rhea taught me, and I hope that that is a lesson that I can share and pay forward. See you next week. Bye, Gorge.